Teresa. We are recapping everything you need to know about this week's session. Hello, Bill.
Hello, Noel. That was a spectacular week with wonderful moments. Powerful dance, incredible steals, unbelievable block and magnificent passes. But let's waste no more time. Noel,
Let's go then. Number 10, Paul Pierce executes Indiana with a strange three-pointer. Look at the ball. It bounces 3 times to the rim before it finally hits the net.
Deron Williams makes the assist and of course Pierce doesn't miss. And number 9, Alan Anderson rejects Paul George with an amazing block. Look how he goes to the ball. Fiercely.
George will remember that for a long time. At number 8, Kevin Garnett flies, takes the rebound, and slams the basket. This is KD, ladies and gentlemen.
And number 7, DeMarcus Cousins stops Damian Lillard. Lillard goes for the layup, but Cousins is there to make the lights go out. An excellent block.
At number 6, the king, LeBron James, just hanging around and makes the layup. Look how LeBron changes sides. He is the king after all.
And number 5, Richard Jefferson doesn't care if Jonas Valanciunas is there. He just hammers the ball at the rim. Jefferson is unstoppable.
At number 4, Jeff Green goes air walking and slams the basket. Look at that! Wow! This is the NBA style. Shane Battier can stop him. Remember real estate.
Number 3, John Henson takes the backdoor pass from Zaza Pachulia and he makes his way for the dunk. An excellent pass from Pachulia.
At number 2, and Mr. Number 2, Kyrie Irving forces his way into the box and scores with less than 1 second to go. Irving is born a leader. He scored 39 points that night.
Finally, at the top tonight 10, Jeff Green again gives his team a tremendous win with a three-pointer with LeBron's hand right in his face. Green drills the game winner with that buzzer beater right in the King's court.
That was an amazing top 10, Bill. The highlight of the week was of course Celtics win in Miami with Green getting the MVP award.
Exactly, Noel. That was a perfect week with the NBA fans. We hope to enjoy the highlights from today's show. Until next week, take care, love basketball. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm starving. What's for supper?
I'm hungry too. There's nothing in the fridge though. You know what? Let's order a pizza.
Great idea, Vangelis. Let's call Delicious Pizza.
Delicious pizza, delivery service. How can I help you?
I would like to order a pizza, please.
Only one? I told you I'm starving too.
Sorry, are you still there?
I'm still here.
I would like 2 large pizzas, please.
Oh, and a salad too. A Caesar salad.
And a Caesar salad, please.
And let's get some French fries too.
And some French fries, please.
I got that. 1 French fries. Anything else, sir?
I don't think so. Wait a second.
We forgot the club sandwich with chicken.
And the chicken club sandwich, please.
Certainly, sir. There is also a special offer if you take a hamburger. You will get a €5 discount.
Really? Do we want any hamburgers?
Yes, we want 2 hamburgers. 1 with extra cheese and 1 with extra tomato sauce.
Oh God, yes, we want 2 hamburgers as well, 1 with extra cheese and 1 with extra tomato sauce.
Is that all?
Yes, we're done.
But
No!
can you tell me your name and address, please?
Sure, my address is to Ernemia Street. My name is Nika Arvanitis.
Thank you, sir. Your delivery will be there in about 20 minutes. Thank you for calling us. Have a nice evening, sir.
Thank you, bye.
Nick, I must tell you something. I haven't got any money.
Oh no, Vangelis!
Good morning, children. Please be seated. Welcome to our school. As you both know, there is only one opening for this year registration, and you are the top 2 finalists. You are both here today because I must decide who will be the one who will get the place. Let's start with you, Vasiliki. Tell me about yourself.
Well, as you can see in my report, I have scored very high in all subjects at school. I have won the first prize in last year's math competition. My favorite subjects are maths and science. My favorite hobby is reading books. I have read tons of books.
Okay, thank you, Vasiliki. Now, Triadaphilos, tell me about yourself.
Of course, as my previous headmaster has written in my report, I was announced last year's top student. All my marks were high and I was also voted the best football player in school. That explains why professional teams have offered me full scholarship.
Oh, quite interesting. So you're both excellent students. Vasiliki is very good at exact science and Triadaphilos is a top athlete. The decision will be very difficult. Vasiliki, why did you choose this school?
First of all, because your school is one of the best in the country. Great scientists have graduated it, and I am sure that you can offer your students all they need for a first quality education. I am really looking forward to working with your teachers.
Thank you very much, Vasiliki. And how about you, Triadaphilos?
I chose this school because I believe that it can help me fulfill my ambition. My dream is to become an excellent student and a great athlete. I believe that you can help me make my dreams come true.
This is true. Our sports instructors are absolutely great. Tell me, Vasiliki, why is your mark in physical education not so high? What was the reason?
The truth is that PE isn't my favorite subject, but I promise that I will try really hard to do much better in that.
It's good to know that. Triadaphilos, you also got an average mark in computer studies. Why?
To be honest, I am not very good in computer studies, but I am taking some lessons this period and I will try hard to do better this year.
I see. Okay then. Thank you both for the time. The decision is going to be very difficult. It was a very interesting conversation. I will call you tomorrow to announce the final decision of the school council. Good luck to both of you.
Thank you so much, Miss.
Thank you and goodbye, Miss.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this week's special show. Next to me are Vangelis and Michael. Good evening, guys.
Hi Anita, hello Michael. In tonight's show, we are going to watch 10 of the most beautiful goals which were scored in this year's UEFA Champions League group stage.
Good evening to both of you. It has been a great season so far. During this group stage, 237 goals were scored and more than 2,400 attempts were made.
The selection was very difficult, but with your help, we have chosen the following 10.
So let's start the countdown. At number 10, Ajax teaches some teamwork to Celtic, and Lasson finishes a great team effort.
Just look at Ajax. They pass the ball to each other so gracefully. They are amazing. Sonne takes the ball back again and sends it inside the net. Wonderful!
At number 9, Real Madrid has no problem against Copenhagen. Isco passes the ball to Modric, and Lucas Modric finds a gap and scores.
Look at how Modric avoids the defender and sends the ball near the post. Modric's right foot is lethal. First, he fakes the shot, and then he shoots and scores.
At number 8, Cristiano Ronaldo does his magic tricks and makes Galatasaray's defenders look foolish. Truly stunning.
Cristiano Ronaldo dribbles so great, he's like dancing on the field. The defenders can't do anything to stop him. He avoids everyone and shoots with so much power. He's FIFA's World Player of the Year.
Number 7 Olympiacos. Number 9 Kostas Mitroglou completed his hat-trick with his powerful shot. Under can't do anything.
Mitroglou takes the ball, puts on the goal, and he makes it. An unbelievable finishing from the Greek striker. Mitroglou has been lethal for Olympiacos this season.
At number 6, Naples midfielder Lorenzo Insigne scores a tremendous direct free kick. Insigne is a specialist.
Roman van der Verden can't do anything. Insigne execution was flawless. A perfect goal for Naples.
At number 5, Yaya Toure scores a magnificent goal for Manchester City. He takes the ball and he just makes a shot which lands inside the net. No one tries to stop him. Perfection from Yaya Toure.
At number 4, Lance Edler drives Leverkusen forward with a magnificent strike. Look at him. He sends the ball right under the post. A magical curling shot from heaven. You just can't get enough of it.
At number 3, Vladimir Vaz gets the ball into the box, dribbles everyone that stands in his way, and sends Olympiacos fans into raptures with an amazing goal. Vaz is sensational. Vladimir Vaz shows his class here.
Right before the top, Douglas Costa gets the ball from Teixeira and he shots at once. Excellent goal from Shakhtar Donetsk.
Alex Teixeira drives the ball forward and passes the ball to Douglas at the right time. Douglas shoots with power and rocks the back of the net. Brilliant!
At number 1, Lavezzi makes a long throw under left defenders, clear the ball, but Ibrahimovic is there. Look at that shot. What a goal! So much power from Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Paris Saint-Germain's captain puts his signature here.
This was pure magic from Zlatan.
Yes, Michael. So, this was it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all enjoyed the video.
Until the next time, keep calm and watch football. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay lads, that was a very good first half, but we need to stay focused. We only need one goal. You can make it. Stelios, how's your leg?
It seems okay, even though the tackle was very hard.
Can you keep up?
Yes, coach, but I think I must switch sides. We need to push harder to score. The left side is very weak and we must focus on that side.
Yes, you are right. Okay, Stelios, you will play as left winger for the rest of the game. Alright, Roberto, you have played very good so far, but you need to pass the ball faster.
Okay, coach, I tried to find an opening for a shot, but the defenders are playing really tough.
There is no point in keeping the ball too much. Pass the ball quickly and make a move. Nick, you are going in after the break. You will replace John, who has been booked.
Will I play as a coach and coach?
Yes, Nick, you help Roberto to score a goal, but be careful. You need to help the midfield as well.
Okay, coach. I believe that we should retain the possession and stop sailing the ball cheaply. We must control the pace of the game and be wary of the counter-attacks.
I agree, Roberto. When a team is defending, you must fall back and help the midfield. Be alert.
Yes, coach, I'll do my best.
Stelios, you must use your speed more than anything now. Do you think you can make it?
Sure, I won't let the team down at this point of the game. I will also try to take the ball forward to help the strikers to find the net with through balls.
Excellent. Now take a look at the game plan of the second half. Stelios, you will be here, but you will also support the defense. Roberto, try to hold the defenders and give Nick the space he needs. Nick, try to overlap using Roberto's skills. Try to organize the attack as well.
I am sure we can make it. Come on, guys. Let's show them what we can do.
Yeah, let's go and grab the win.
Coach, we won't disappoint you. You can rely on us.
That's the spirit. Go out there and make it happen.
Yeah!